Hey guys, Brian here. Well, I'm back at our land and we are in a winter storm watch. It is May 10th and we just got about 1.5 feet of snow. I was actually going to be doing some stuff on our cabin. We were going to be getting our crawl space encapsulated and that got canceled. So I'm up here. I had to throw chains on my truck in order to get in here because the plow hadn't hit our road yet. Thankfully I bought those. Super awesome chains, but those got me here. And now I'm heading back up by our trees because I'm going to do some fire mitigation burning and get a big old bonfire going. So I got my snowshoes out of storage. I got my jet sled out of storage, and I'm hiking up here, but I'm just taking a break because we gained 300 feet of elevation from where our cabin is back here, and that's over about 0.4 of a mile. And we start at 9,700 feet, and back there by our aspens, it's at about 10,000 feet. So it definitely gets you breathing hard and is a really good cardio workout. But I'm gonna get that bonfire going. I'm gonna show you guys what the pond looks like, and I'm gonna check the game cams too to see what activity we've had going on here. So let's go ahead and get that fire started. All right, well, I got the fire going finally. I had to cut a bunch of limbs off of our piles that are up and out of the snow, the dry ones, to get it going. And now the fire's warm enough where I can put wet, dry stuff on there. It doesn't matter. So I can feel the heat from back here, which is awesome. So now as this is going, I'm gonna go check out the pond and change out the SD cards on our game cam to see what's been here at the property. Tell you what, these tub snowshoes with this BOA system they're so nice. I got these for my birthday from a family member, and they bought them on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. But you go in and out of your snowshoes so fast, which is great for a day like today because it's better walking around this stuff with snowshoes. But when you're trying to find all these piles and stuff, and there's logs under snow, it's a little more dangerous to have the snowshoes on and just better with boots. But I dig these things, they are great. This is the pond cam. It's usually the best activity on here for sure. Although the bull elk like to come up and rub their horns on this, and they pushed it over the last time I was here. Pond is slushy. Look at that. Slushy, icy. It's crazy. Pretty cool. It's pretty amazing. Look at this here. Look at the blue sky and the snowflakes. It is such a weird day. The sun is popping out here. In my dark shirt, I am roasting. Even though down at our cabin it said it was 31 degrees out. It's snowing and there's over 1 foot of snow on the ground. And I am super hot. It's crazy. Such a weird day. Well, today's video is sponsored by MokWheel. So MokWheel is an e-bike manufacturer. They actually sent me the TOR PLUS, which is a fat tire all-terrain e-bike. I've probably been using it for, I'd say, about the last month and a half, 2 months, and I love this thing. A couple things about this e-bike. As I mentioned, it is a fat tire bike, so it's got these nice big 26-inch by 4-inch fat tires. They are great on all surfaces. I've rode this thing on asphalt, dirt, bumpy roads, all that stuff, they work fantastic. We have some nice wheel fenders as well too, so when you're going through puddles or muddy surfaces, all that's not getting sprayed up at you. It does have disc brakes on it, as well as a front fork that is adjustable and gives you about 4 inches of travel. Now this e-bike is powered by a 750 watt hub driven motor, and the battery that powers that motor is a 48 volt 16 amp hour battery, so you should get anywhere between 35 to 55 miles per charge, depending on what type of terrain you're riding and how much you're using the pedal assist or the throttle. And speaking of the pedal assist and throttle, there are 5 pedal assist modes that will get you up to 28 miles per hour. You can go faster, obviously, on the e-bike. I've gotten it up to about 33 miles per hour, but the pedal assist kind of stops at about 28. The throttle will go up to 20 miles per hour, which is really nice. Like if you're trying to cross a road, like say you got a red light or something like that, it's really nice to be able to hit that throttle and just go. It does have a Shimano 7-speed derailleur on there too, so whether you're using the pedal assist or your human-driven pedal assist there, you do have 7 speeds to choose from. The display is very nice and very legible. You can read it in all lights, whether it's dark or if it's super bright out. And there is a headlight as well as 3 lights in the rear. And you do have a little horn too. The rear lights also are always on for the brake light. So when there's riders behind you or cars or anything like that, that's really nice. You also have a large adjustable seat that is very comfortable and a rack to be able to haul stuff. So overall, like I said, I've really enjoyed using this bike. It retails for $12.99 on MokWheel's website. I'll put a link in the description if you'd like to get more information, and I'll be doing a more in-depth review video soon. Now let's get back to the video. Oh, my fire's going out. I gotta go get some more logs. I'm gonna make some chili here. We always save these, and I'll tell you what, whenever we get, takeout orders or whatever, and these come in handy for stuff like this. I see a bed of coals with my name on it. We get this baby warmed up. Take this label off here. I don't have anything to grab this with, so we'll see how this goes. Gotta crack the lid like that. Pop her in. And hopefully it's good. Alright guys, well my chili is done. The fire is roaring. Just started snowing pretty heavy again here. And my GoPro battery is at 3%. So I'm gonna keep this fire going and just try to burn as much as I can. But thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.